Donegal's leading wholesale retailers for car parts and accessories, Ballybofey Autofactors takes pride in supplying high-quality products for competitive prices. With over 60,000 different products in store from brands such as Delphi, Look, Valio, Bosch and NGK, Ballybofey Autofactors' extremely helpful and knowledgeable staff will help you find any item you require. If a product isn't on the shelf, Ballybofey Autofactors' unique relationship with their suppliers means they will have the item in store that same day, or by 8:30 the following morning. If you want the most reliable car, get the parts from the most reliable source. Ballybofey Autofactors.